Ooh. Close your eyes. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look.
Oh, there's yellow thing.
This is so pretty, Willa.
Yeah, it
I love it.
is.
Look. Corriente Saddle Company. Look at this blue buck stitch. Blue is Willa's favorite color. So we got the blue seat. There's the receipt. Yep. But oh my gosh, what's your favorite part? The blue seat, I knew it.
Yeah,
And it's like rainbow stitch.
Yeah.
It is so-
I love everything. Even this wrap thing. Right
It's
here.
so
And this. And a horn. And look at the bottom.
Goodness, it's so pretty. I love
at
the
that.
it's chocolate like mine too.
Yeah, chocolate. Chocolate here is.
Yep. So it's ours. Let me show the stirrup. Here's the little stirrup. Alright. Yeah, they see the receipt.